Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study our 8th lesson, Cell Structure and Functions. Cells. What is cell? The body of living organisms are made up of small units are called cell. In other words, the structural and functional unit of the body of an organism are called cell. An English scientist, Robert Hooke, was the first person to use a microscope for academic studies. In 1665, he observed slices of cork under a simple microscope. Cork is a part of bark of a tree. He noticed that partitioned boxes or compartments in the cork slice, which is like a honeycomb. He also noticed that one box was separated from the other by a wall or partition. He gave a name called cell. In Latin word, cell is a little room. Bark is the brown or black colored outermost layers of a plant. It is mostly dead part which protection to the inner part of the trees. So we can say that Robert Hooke observed the cells are actually dead cells. In 1674, another Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed living cell with the help of improved microscope. Microscope is an optical instrument used for viewing very small object such as cells or bacteria, which is magnified into many times. It helps the scientist to observe and study the cells. Stains or dyes are used to color the parts of the cell for detailed study. The body of some organisms are made up of single cell, are called unicellular organisms. The life activities like digestion, respiration, growth, excretion and reproduction, etc. are performed by this single cell. Example, amoeba and paramecium. The body of some organisms are made up of more than one cells that are called multicellular organisms. Examples, insects, frogs, plants, human beings, etc. In multicellular organisms, all the life activities like digestion, absorption, respiration, excretion, etc. are performed by a group of specialized cells which are called tissues. Amoeba is a unicellular organism which has no definite shape. It keeps on changing its shape. These projections of varying length protruding out of its body are called pseudopodia. These projections appear and disappear as amoeba moves or feeds. These projections help the movement and capturing of food. WBC or white blood cell in human blood is another example of single cell which can change its shape. But WBC is a single cell, but amoeba is a single celled organism. Generally, cells are round, spherical or elongated. Example, RBC of human blood. Some cells are long and pointed at both ends. They exhibit a spindle shape. Example, muscle cells. Some cells are quite long and branched. Example, nerve cell or neuron. The component of the cell are enclosed in a membrane called cell membrane, which provide shape to the cells of plants and animals. In plant cell, an additional covering over the cell membrane is called cell wall. It gives shape and rigidity to these cells. Bacterial cell has also a cell wall. Size of cells. The size of cells in living organisms may be as small as a micrometer or maybe as large as a few centimeters. Most of the cells are microscopic and are not visible to the unaided eye. They need to be enlarged or magnified by a microscope. The smallest cell is zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.5 micrometers in bacteria. The largest cell, 170 millimeters, is the egg of an ostrich. An interesting question. Are the cells of an elephant is larger than the cells of a rat? No, the cells of rat and elephant are same. It is only means that the number of cells are more in bigger animals like an elephant than in smaller animal like rat. The size of the cell has no relation with the size of the body of an animal or plant. The size of the cell is related to its function. Example, nerve cells, which long and branched in both the animals and also all animals, they perform the same function, that of transferring messages. We studied cell is the structural and functional unit of the body. A group of cells performing a specific function are called tissues. Group of tissues joined to form organ, and group of organs joined to form organ system. All the organ systems are joined to form an organism.